1995 Cadillac Seville SLS four-door sedan here at Unique, especially in classics. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirmed miles, just a little over 48,000 on this one is all. Original Texas car. Both owners from Texas. Now, if you notice in the paint, you can kind of see this. It's going to show up as I get in the right light. There is some hail damage on the hood, but no accidents indicated. Texas vehicle. 4.6 liter. Dual overhead cam, V8 underneath the hood. Automatic with overdrive transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. Technician did mention the AC compressor wasn't kicking on and off though, so just a heads up on that. Check out all the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. 507-386-1726 is where you can get a hold of us at. Little spoked wheels, radial tires. As we take a look down the passenger side of this car, there is a crease down this lower rocker that should show up in the pictures too from the underside. Try to get those shots in the underside. Vinyl top does show some wear. Shale colored interior. Bucket seats, of course. We'll get around to the driver's side, check that out a little closer. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. Dual exhaust. Originally sold at Massey, Cadillac. UniqueClassicCars.com. That's where you can check out the still pictures. See the underside, interior, engine bay. Take a look down the driver's side here. There are a few little scuffs and imperfection in the paint. Kind of similar to the other side. All right, let's take a little closer look at the interior. Of course, you're going to have your modern equipment like you're going to see on Cadillacs. Power windows, locks, tilt and cruise. There's a couple markings on the rear seats. Technician also noted the power seat was in op. Or maybe the switch was a little touchy. Looks like it'll go up and down and tilt. Forward and backwards was in op. Power mirrors, power locks, power windows. Let's go ahead and start this up. Check the exact miles. $48,654. You can see there is an SES or service engine soon light on, so you know about that. AM, FM, CD cassette player. Center console. Looks like we've had a little heat to the armrest here too. Dash. All right, slip around to the back so you can hear this run. And I'm going to pop the hood, take a look at the engine bay. Maybe we'll get this one one-handed here. I think you can reach the handle on these pretty easy. Maybe. Let's find out. Underside of the hood. Hood liner nice and clean. There it is. A North Star V8. Again, 4.6 liter. Of course, these are a front-wheel drive vehicle. Automatic with overdrive transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC protected, no AC, pressure doesn't kick on. 1995 Cadillac Seville SLS, 4-door sedan. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, original Texas vehicle, 2 owner, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades, financing is available, and of course we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1995 Cadillac Seville in white with a cream interior. This is an automatic on the center console. Good acceleration and throttle response in this car. The odometer is reading 48,652. Our factory tachometer is working. Fuel gauge reading over 3/4 and speedometer also working. We also have a digital instant miles per gallon and range indicator on the left. Outdoor temperature. Air conditioning does not seem to be blowing cold currently. If I let go of the steering wheel, this is nice and straight in the lane. Our wipers are working well. Radio working good. Corners as you would expect. Nice luxurious ride from this Cadillac. Comfortable leather seats. Tilt steering working as it should. Cruise control is functioning. Very nice. Brakes working well. Comfortable car for a long trip. Check out all the pictures at Unique Classic Cars.